Today, August 12th, we are celebrating World Elephant Day. On this day, we express our concern for the welfare and protection of all the elephants across the globe. The mother elephant is extremely caring for her calf. Her constant attention and guidance ensures that the calf picks up all the skills necessary for survival in the forest. As I was busy filming the elephants, I saw one of the elephants looking into my eyes. His eyes were amazing. I felt as if he was trying to convey something deep in his heart. Today our elephants are facing innumerable number of problems which are ultimately challenging their struggle for existence. The presence of these migratory elephants is indeed very crucial to maintain the biodiversity of the forest network. This in turn plays a very important role in maintaining the desired ecosystem. Well, how does this happen? The elephants use their powerful tusks to dig water and create water holes that provide water to other animals. They control overgrowth of vegetation and tall grassland, making way for the smaller animals. They disperse seeds through their dung and promote the growth of variety of plants in the forest area. It is thus necessary to protect the elephants and safeguard their movement corridors and natural habitat. Over and above, their frequent clash with humans has to be addressed on priority. It has always been amazing and interesting to see the elephants in groups and sometimes solitary. On the occasion of World Elephant Day, let us all join hands together to protect and care for the elephants. Friends, believe me, it is absolutely amazing watching the magnificent elephants moving freely in the forest. Come, let us protect and save our elephants.